Yeah, welcome back to my latest video, and this is going to be AI related. And in this video, we are going to automate Active Directory user management related tasks, right? And usually these are performed by identity and access management team. And they usually create AD user object, delete user object, reset the password for user, AD user, and and add user to a specific AD group, right? So these are things we are going to automate using our Claude Desktop with the default LLM, and to bridge between our LLM and the AD services, I've created a C MCP server, and that will handle all these tasks that we mentioned here, right? So let me open a chat session. This is a Claude Desktop, and I've already configured my MCP server. I can show you that. So this is my MCP server. I've already configured. So let's go to new chat and start over. Okay, create a new AD user bill. Okay, before that, let's see whether that user exists. It should not, because I have deleted long before. So there is no user called Bill Gates in Finance OU, right? So let's create a new AD user Bill Gates and put the user to Finance OU. Okay, so let me fix the spelling. Yeah. So it should ideally create, it should find the appropriate tool exposed by my MCP server and create that user and put that user into particular OU, right? So these are the input I need for my MCP function, and this is what it is going to do. Let's see. Uh, okay. I don't think the user exists. Let's see whether that user exists, saying the user already exists. Mm, because I deleted the user sometime back. Yeah, it looks like user already exists. Let's see where it exists. Does it exist in? Okay, it exists in. Okay, let me delete that user so that we can have the user created again. I've deleted. I want the user to be placed here. Try the same user and OU again. Okay. I hope I have not run out of daily limit. I'm using the free plan, if you can see. Okay, so we are saying that use the same user and same OU. Let's see if it does. Okay, so it is asking for our confirmation, and this is the uh, tool. Okay, it says it was able to do that. Let's see. Let's refresh. Okay, we got the user, and this is the SAM account name, BIGA. So that matches with that. Now let's ask it to reset. Can you reset the password for this user? Okay, so it should call reset AD password, AD user password tool exposed by our MCP, and we should have a new password, right? So it will show the new password here, but you got the idea, right? You can send that to user email. You can change the logic, right? So successfully reset the password. Now we'll ask move the user or add this user to a group, right? So I have this group. It's called SharePoint user. At the moment, there are no users in this group. Let's ask, can you add this user to SharePoint users group as group? Yeah. If it does not understand, we can put as a member or something like that. Let's see whether it is able to understand and call the correct tool. Yeah, it is able to call the correct tool. So that is the tool. I will show the code part also. Okay, it says it has done that. Let's see whether it has done. Let's refresh. Let me go to the users. Let's see whether it has done. Yeah, it has done that. Perfect. So this was our agenda, right? Our agenda was to create a AD user, add user to a group, and reset the password. Now the last task is to delete the user, right? Yeah, go ahead and delete the user. So it will find the appropriate tool that is already exposed to it. Okay, so it is asking. whether to use that tool and delete. Okay, it says it has deleted. So let's see. This is the OU where it was. Let's refresh. Okay, it has gone. So obvious it will go from the this group membership also. Okay, that is also done. So we are done with the task that we planned for our demo. Right now, let's jump into the code part. So this is the MCP server where all the magic is happening. Right. So in this MCP server, I have one tool that is to fetch AD user info. So we are counting. I'm using the system.directory services and system.directory services account management library to fetch user details, right? So this tool will fetch user details, and it will return back this JSON info to LLM, and if there is no such user, it will say user does not exist. And this create AD user is again going to create a AD user, and it will put AD user to a specific OU, whatever OU we specify, right? And I will share this code in my WordPress blog also. And this is the reset AD password. So basically, in this tool is responsible to reset the AD password. It will use my this function. So if you see, I have put the password length 15. So whatever length you put, it is going to generate some random password and set that password to a particular user, right? Whatever user we provided. And delete AD user. So basically, we are deleting the existing AD user if AD user exists, and add AD user to group, right? We are asking user to provide username and group name. If the user provides, it will add the user to group name. So this is very basic IAM task. IAM does more work than this, but you get the idea, right? We can accomplish complex tasks also with the power of MCP and AI. I hope you might have liked it. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share. And please do leave your comments. Thank you.